Which oversized comfort bike seat is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, LCYMD Comfortable Seat Cushion. First up is the LCYMD Comfortable Seat Cushion. Priced at just $18.99, this one really caught my eye with its unique dual shock-absorbing ball design. If you want to ride for long distances without discomfort, this is worth a serious look. With a rating of 4.6 stars from over 11,400 reviews, it's clear that many people are loving the comfort. The seat measures 9.7 by 8 inches and is designed to fit most bikes, whether you're on a mountain bike or cruising through the city. And the airflow vent in the middle, that's a thoughtful touch that keeps everything cool and dry. Now, some people complained about it being a bit narrow for larger riders. Here's the thing though, while it might not be the best fit for everyone, many users found it perfect for their needs, especially those looking for a budget-friendly option. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable solution to long rides. Skip this one if you need a seat that's extra wide or if you're particularly heavyset due to its narrower design. Overall, it offers great value for money. Product number 2, Two Maples Extra Comfort Seat. Next up is the Two Maples Extra Comfort Seat, retailing at $29.99. What stood out to me is its unique concave-shaped design that seems tailored for people with larger builds. If you need a seat that truly supports your body, this one might be worth your attention. Now, this isn't just any oversized seat. It's designed to support up to 650 pounds, which is impressive. It features a super comfortable, extra-wide design that really alleviates pressure on your sit bones, which is a common complaint for many cyclists. Plus, the installation is a breeze. You can swap it out in just about 2 minutes with the included tools. This seat also uses high-density memory foam and cooling gel, ensuring you stay comfortable and dry during your rides. Some users mentioned that it can be a bit tricky to fit on certain bike models due to the adapter requirements. But honestly, if you're willing to put in a little extra effort for the comfort it offers, it's definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you're heavyset or just want a seat that won't leave you sore after a long ride. Skip this one if you have a bike that doesn't support the necessary adapters, though, as that could lead to a hassle. Product number 3, CDYWD Oversized Bike Seat. Now let's talk about the CDYWD Oversized Bike Seat, which comes in at $30.99. This seat caught my attention primarily because of its impressive size and ergonomic design. If comfort is your top priority, you might want to stick around for this. The high elastic foam and shock-absorbing features ensure that even on bumpy roads, you'll have a smooth ride. Plus, it fits a wide range of bike types, making it super versatile for different riders. Now, a drawback some users mentioned is that the surface can feel a bit slippery when wet. I get it, that could be a concern for those who bike in the rain. However, most users find that the comfort it offers far outweighs this small issue. This is perfect for you if you want a wide seat that promises comfort without breaking the bank. Skip it if you're concerned about slipping. Otherwise, it's a great addition to any bike. Product number 4, COLWFAN Oversized Bike Seat. Coming up next is the COLWFAN Oversized Bike Seat, priced at $31.42. What really got me interested in this seat is its 2 times larger size compared to traditional saddles. If you've struggled with discomfort before, this could be your solution. This seat is designed with thick memory foam, ensuring you won't feel like you're sitting on a rock during your rides. The ventilation holes help keep everything dry, which is great for long-term use. Plus, it fits multiple bike types, including Peloton and mountain bikes, making it a versatile option. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 3,100 reviews, it's clear many users appreciate the extra support it offers. However, some buyers pointed out that the installation instructions could be clearer. But if you're comfortable with a bit of DIY, the comfort this seat provides is definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a seat that offers a ton of space and comfort. Skip this one if you're not up for a little installation challenge, as that might be a hassle. Product number 5, Xmifer Oversized Bike Seat. Lastly, we have the X-Mifer oversized bike seat at $19.99. This one impressed me with its dual spring suspension design, which is a nice touch for anyone looking for shock absorption. If you're after something that won't leave you sore, keep listening. The seat measures 10.4 by 8.3 inches and is designed to relieve pressure on sensitive areas like your prostate and tailbone. The waterproof leather cover is also a practical feature. No one enjoys sitting on a wet seat after a rain. It's designed to fit a variety of bikes, making it a good option if you have multiple rides. However, some feedback mentioned that the padding might not be thick enough for heavier individuals. Here's the thing though, for a lot of casual riders, it provides just the right amount of comfort without being too bulky. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, comfortable seat for casual rides. Skip this if you need something that offers maximum padding or if you're on the heavier side. So there you have it, 5 great options for oversized comfort bike seats. Whether you're on a budget or looking for maximum comfort, there's something here for everyone. Just remember to consider what you really need and choose the one that fits your riding style best.